Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading. My name is Nenad, and it's August 20. So we will do some live trading webinar and see where prices might be going. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. On these web addresses, you can sign up for more live educational and live trading webinars. So let's start with the live trading. As we can see from charts, price is moving. First, we will go with the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, I already have a buy trade here on the dollar CAD. My entry is 33.17, so I'm currently 11 pips in profit. And basically, what I see here is a continuation of uptrend move. First of all, if we take a look at weekly time frame here, we can see that weekly time frame is it's uptrend. So we had a pullback. Now the prices are going up, and also MACD has crossed to the upside. So there is a nice confirmation of a fresh uptrend on the weekly. On daily time frame, it's very clear that it's an uptrend. The previous candle was very big. It's very bullish, and it ate previous candles. So it completely engulfed it. And you can see that basically outside the candle has appeared completely eating previous candles. So this is a sign of a bullish continuation. And on 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has made a cross after pullback, and this was the pullback. This was a big cross candle, and well, as long as this candle is actually strong, I think the uptrend is bound to continue. But obviously, the prices are the price on the dollar CAD is indeed bullish. You can see how it formed some. Well, I can say this is what traders call camel pattern. You see, there is a camel pattern here, and basically this is bullish. But this doji, okay, it signifies indecision. So 4-hour time frame, the price should close above the doji. Obviously, this is exactly to the pip to the V6 level. So we should see the price closing above 33, 35, 36 actually. And if we see a close, then we will see a continuation towards 33.77 and 33.90, eventually reaching the full price projection at 34.25. Here you see this is the WIS level 7. We have also weekly H5, and we can see that monthly H5 is there. This is strong resistance. So for dollar CAD to proceed further up, also this resistance needs to break. So I'm long already, having some 11 pips profit. So yeah, let's see. Dollar, Singapore dollar, my favorite exotic pair. I'm long here. There is a consolidation. I have a couple of entries. One is at a 38.70. The others are at 38.49 and 38.50. 9, I think. So basically, you see, this is I suspect there should be a continuation. The weekly time frame here is bullish. It's bullish, and you see that the price actually broke previous high, and this is continuation now, because the price is also supported above WIS level 7. So on weekly, there is a sign of continuation. Strong MACD suggests that the weekly trend is very, very strong. Daily had a retracement, and this retracement ended up here. You can see that the price went up, then retraced, but still this candle holds above WIS 7, 38.28. The price is bullish, and 4-hour time frame suggests that there should be move to the upside, especially because prices are crossing now, and they might go up. So we should see a continuation to the upside towards 38.97, eventually reaching a full price projection here, or eventually there. But the prices are very, very bullish. I think that weekly target this week can be reached, but again, in order for the price to reach this weekly target, it needs to have a nice 4-hour daily close above 38.97. Yeah. New Zealand dollar is also one of the trades that I have, but currently it's in a drawdown. I entered a counter trend trade possibility, but obviously the trend is stronger now than counter trend, and it's close to stop loss. So I don't know, maybe I will be stopped out. But then again, well, it's one of trades. I'm currently running 3 trades with more than 6 positions overall. So if I lose this trade, well, you never know. Basically, we have a counter trend trade possibility here, but the prices are going down. So obviously trend is stronger now than counter trend. So we will see. Euro dollar also, guys, euro dollar, nothing fancy on euro dollar. It's going down, going down. There was a sign of possible pullback, but the price now is going down. I don't have any clear re-entry. I don't see any dot, whatever. So obviously, this should stay as it is. I don't see now the pullback. The chance for the pullback has gone, obviously, and the price might drop towards 10.40 and eventually going lower to 10.26. So the price on the euro dollar is indeed bearish. The Australian dollar is, well, ranging, completely ranging. There is no momentum here. You can see how the price is. The price is definitely going sideways. And you can see there is very, very, very shallow move. And the price is flat. I can say it's almost totally flat. So I don't like the look of Australian dollar, and I would never trade it in this occasion because it's not clear, really. It's not clear at all. GBP Australian dollar also not clear. It seems that Australian dollar crosses are totally non-tradable now. Here we have a short trade opportunity on the dollar yen. But why don't I trade short? Because of this head and shoulders. You see, this is the left, this is the head, this could be the right shoulder. And there is not much room to support. Support is here, 105.80. So I don't want to trade now. I mean, this can drop, but it's very close to support. So I would stay away from this trade, definitely. There is a possibility for a drop, but it's inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, you see? And the price can go here, and then it could actually make a U-turn. So I would rather avoid trading when I see this head and shoulders, especially because it's a bullish one, inverted head and shoulders. Euro Swissy, nothing fancy here. On the Euro Swissy, it's going down as the euro, but again, it's mostly ranging. It's very, very slow. XAU USD on the contrary is going up, so it signifies the strength of the gold. I think that if this candle closes as a bullish one, we might have a cross and a signal to buy. But obviously, this is now, well, the first qualifier for my MACD, Camarilla MACD, to have a signal with small arrows is that the price touches Bollinger Band. Once the price touches Bollinger Band, if I see a small arrow, that is a signal to go long. So I'm paying attention to gold. So for all of you who, of course, trade gold, but you don't have Camarilla MACD, you need to have a bullish candle close. It could be a confirmation, but the price will close in some 2 hours. So in 2 hours, watch it. For all of you who have Camarilla MACD, guys, the signal is valid if you see a small blue arrow because the price already touched the Bollinger Band, so the next cross will be valid. Pound dollar is making some sort of a pullback, although you see the price made a short signal, but now it has, again, I don't like to see this. This could be a nice short trade, but watch this. Left, head, right. It looks like it's making inverted head and shoulders. So again, I don't want to be caught in a trade that goes counterway. So in normal occasion, if this was a normal zigzag without this, I would say, let's go short. But now I'm not sure really. It's supported, and I don't see a clear catalyst for a new low. So I would rather stay away. Prices are mostly ranging. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand it gives me a long signal, but again, I don't see momentum in market, and the price is close to with level 9. I mean, it's 4-hour time frame, but still, I don't see any clear signal that the price will continue. So there is a qualifier, the price touch Bollinger Band. This should be a long, but then again, I have some positions, so I wouldn't jeopardize it. But it seems that Euro New Zealand is going up, indeed. My eyes are on gold, guys. I'm watching gold. Gold can be a nice mover also. GBP New Zealand bullish, but the price didn't now qualify for re-entry. I want to see either touch of the Bollinger Band or arrows or green dot. CAD yen bearish. This is nice bearish move. Again, it's contained within the range here. You see the range. So I would rather wait for bigger pullback, because you see this is the room till next support is very small. And yes, markets are definitely waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes. Ali, a comment from Ali. I observe falling wedge pattern on New Zealand dollar. I scaled in at 64.08. I don't know. We have a New Zealand dollar positions indeed. There could be a move to the upside, but again, we also have dollar CAD and dollar Singapore dollar. So I would like that at least two of those positions that we have now are in profits. But we will see. I mean, you never know, right? The Australian dollar CAD, no clear signal. The price is in ranging. I would skip now Australian dollar. It really doesn't have anything to trade. New Zealand yen, similar thing as with most markets. Inverted head and shoulders at the bottom. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I would not trade this. You see how prices are contained within the Bollinger Band limits. This looks pretty much rangy. Euro CAD is, again, no clear signal. No clear trend. When my template is white, it's not blue, it's not yellow, it's white, so no clear trend. Same here, no clear trend. Euro yen, it's a bearish trend, and obviously this signal was good. I missed it. I mean, you cannot trade everything. Sometimes you miss it, but 32 pips. And I would have taken this signal. Unfortunately, I missed it because of this head and shoulders. You see, in contrary to other pairs that we had, that we observed, like inverted head and shoulders, this is normal head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So this could go down indeed. So I would have rather go short here on the euro yen. The question from Ali: do you see a counter trend opportunity on pound dollar if it retraces to 24 or 60 with target 22.50? I don't know, really. I will take a look later at GBP dollar, but obviously these counter trend trades are really risky. For example, New Zealand dollar gave me a very, very nice counter trend opportunity, but I didn't like how the price performed after. It just keep on dropping. Australian dollar yen, similar to other Australian dollar pairs, it looks bearish, but it is supported. So I would skip the Australian dollar, although this is a strong signal. Very strong signal, but you see how the price is not doing anything specifically. I mean, we can go short, but it could be risky. I would rather see what will happen with two of my other trades. But yeah, this could be a nice short. A lot of confluence here. Maybe we could take a short trade, definitely, with a tight stop. Yeah. I might actually make a short trade here. I will sell it right now, guys. Okay, I'm taking my chances here. Okay, give me a few seconds. I sold it. Just let me write it down. Okay, so we sold the Australian dollar yen. Okay, Now, I will write it here. So the Australian dollar yen. Okay, it's 4-hour time frame. The entry is 71.88 to 98. So the zone is always the same. Sorry, guys, 78.98 to 72.08 because we are 72.08 because we are selling. Stop loss needs to go above the high. So I would say this is 72.50, I would say. 72, and always at a spread. Stop loss 72.50. And the target, I would go with 70.93 because this is support. 70.93. It still will have some time to go. So this is it. Okay, we have a short trade, another one. The main reason why I took this short is this confluence here. These big arrows don't appear always, similar to super dots in trend direction. So when I see this, I see smaller candle, I see the dots. So I have triple confluence here with my method. That is why I went actually short. And this is now support, this is level 8. So if it really goes down and breaks it, it has the possibility to go even further down. But I think this is a nice opportunity. So, and now your questions, guys. We went through all of this. I'm pretty much full with my trades. So dollar CAD, Singapore dollar, New Zealand, and Australian dollar yen. If the dollar, if the pound dollar drops to maybe 1997, you see this is confluence with weekly L5, then maybe here also 2040. But I'm careful because I don't like to go with many counter trend trades. I already have New Zealand dollar as a counter trend trade, and it's dropping. It's not going up. So that is why I'm careful. Yeah, if gold drops, maybe you can actually buy it. But at this point, gold is bullish, and it looks like the retracement is done. And if this candle closes as a bullish one, you might see a cross arrow here. That could be a long trade. For other long trades, 1470 here to 1480. This is a big zone, but this could also be possibility, even here at the ATR low. But I also think that this could be the signal for a long. So let's wait and see what will happen. On my Camarilla MACD, the signal will be given as an arrow. If this two moving average cross, the first qualifier has been met. The price touched the Bollinger Band. Now we need to see the cross. But that's it. Basically, yes. We don't see a gravestone doji. We see a Marubozu candle. Ali, this is Marubozu candle here. FXDD account, Marubozu candle here. You see? Gravestone doji, I don't see it really. We still need to see how this 4-hour will close. So guys, let's recap it. We have a dollar Singapore dollar long, dollar CAD long, New Zealand dollar long. It's dropping, but it's counter trend, and the Australian dollar yen short. Of course, after some time, like if the price goes 20-30 pips in our favor, we might scale out, close the half, and put the rest to break even. It's up to you how you will manage it, but I'm watching these levels and I will probably abide by them. If the price gets to some important levels, I might scale out, put the rest to break even, and enjoy the free ride. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. Follow also my FX book, FXDD account. I'm trading live, and it's connected to my FX book. Thank you guys for listening. I wish you a great day ahead, and let's see if these setups will be good. I will update, of course, and wish you a great day. Cheers, guys, and as always, trade safe.